Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up. Just do it now so you don't forget. You know what I mean? Just do it now. And leave a comment in the comment section if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. I want to go. I want to go. You can actually use this in 2 ways because you can use it as I want to go full stop or I want to go insert destination. So I'll show you how to do that. So I want to go. Me pese me ko. Me pese me ko. Me pese me ko. Me pese me ko. Me, my, or I. Per se, want or need. Ko is to go. Me pese me ko. I want to go. Me pese me ko. And as I said, that could be the end of the sentence. Or you can just say, me pese me ko, and then you insert the destination. Me pese me ko Kumasi. Me pese me ko Osu. Me pese me ko in crying, which is Accra in tree. Me pese me ko in crying. Me pese me ko tema. Do you understand? So me pese me ko. I want to go. I would like to go. Me pese me ko. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys on my next one.